in India with first club here in Vasankunj, New Delhi, bringing out Training Club X and the launch of Jets Fitness Black.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahul. Okay, so Indian fitness market is evolving rapidly with a growing demand of structured performance-driven training. As the Indian franchisee, our aim is to bring the global proven Jets model to Indian consumers. Jets Fitness operates in at least 6 countries across the world, about 257 live locations at this moment internationally, and we are focused on delivering some consistency, coaching quality and training standards adapted thoughtfully for the Indian market.
First of all, thanks for everyone taking time to come over, and thanks to Mohit and Rahul for putting together this partnership together. Very excited with where this will take us. As part of Hyrox India and managing this brand, we're just 8 months old in India, but I think if we ask for the rest of the market with respect to, some people feel it's been around for a long time, given the kind of excitement it has brought into India. We're very excited that we're now having the ecosystem develop, right? Like when we were first thinking about Hyrox, and I said, why will it work in India? All the runners had a running event, people could run, they would run a marathon. Some of the triathletes would participate in an Ironman event, which we also organize. But the gym goers never had a race or an event. But they used to go to the gym. They were very motivated. Gym business has been around for years.
In India, as a representing center, as a partner with Hyrox in the first gym setup, I feel people are the athletes will have a systematic and ecosystem. Like as said, they'll be very structured and very unique way of training, which for the athletes, for Hyrox and for the youth, because the age group is below 35. Where I was last week to Bangalore with the Hyrox team. It was around 25 and 30. What I see, so many people, and already we have a race which is sold out, and Delhi is going to be very, very close. So we need a lot of performance centers where athletes can be trained in a systematic way, and they can have something very special, which is Delhi has yet to be understand. Yeah, that's